In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close Google Form responses. Let's say you've been collecting answers for a quiz, a registration form, or a survey. And now you're ready to stop accepting new responses. Maybe your deadline has passed. You've reached the number of participants you need. Or you simply want to freeze the data so you can start analyzing it. Closing responses in Google Forms is quick and easy, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. First, open your web browser and go to Google Forms. You can do this by searching for Google Forms or by opening your form directly from your Google Drive. Once you're on the main Google Forms page, locate the form you want to close. This will usually appear in your list of recent forms or inside the folder where you originally saved it. Click on the form's title to open it. When your form opens, you'll see the editing view with the questions. At the top of the screen, there are several tabs, including one labeled Responses. Go ahead and click on the Responses tab. This is the section where you can see how many responses you've received, view summaries, and manage your response settings. Inside the Responses tab, look for a toggle or switch labeled Accepting Responses. When this switch is turned on, people can still submit answers to your form. To close the form and stop new submissions, simply click that toggle to turn it off. Once it's off, Google Forms will automatically prevent anyone else from submitting new responses. After you turn off Accepting Responses, you'll notice a message that appears just below the toggle. By default, it usually says something like, "This form is no longer accepting responses." You can click on that message and customize it to say whatever you want, such as, "Registration is now closed," or "The survey has ended." This is what people will see if they try to open your form after it's closed. So it's a good idea to make the message clear and polite. Keep in mind that closing responses does not delete any of the answers you've already collected. You can still view them in the Responses tab, download them to a spreadsheet, or analyze them whenever you're ready. And if you change your mind later, you can always reopen the form by going back to the Responses tab and turning Accepting Responses back on. That's all you need to do to close Google Form responses and control when people can submit answers.